Today we will study about the loops in Python. So let's discuss some examples. First example. So first create a list of for example, some fruits: banana, apple, mango. Print if we want to display the list in a output terminal, so we have to print the all elements of list separately. So if you want to display the list in one statement, so you have to use the concept of loops. For loop, the syntax of loop is for x in a is list of, print the x. So run the program. You can see that banana, apple and mango is displayed on the output terminal. Now let's consider another example of numbers 1, 2, 9, 10 and anything. Now start the loop for x in a. You can choose any name in the place of x. So you can see that all the list is printed on the screen. So if you want to display the sum of that list numbers, so we have to initialize the variable total is equal to 0 and total equals to totals plus x, and at the end print the total variable. You can see that 34 is printed on the output terminal and the all list is printed. Now clear that and let's take another example. Now list some names, for example fruits. So in this case we will discuss the break statement in the loop. So for x in a, if x reached at, when the index is reached at grapes, the statement or the loop will be break and the cursor is moved towards outside the loop. You can see that banana and mango is printed and grapes is missing, because when the index is reached at grapes, the grapes is the break statement move the cursor to the out of the loop. Now let's discuss the range statement, range 10. So now for x in a, print for x in range 10, print the x. So you can see that all the numbers before the 10 is printed on the output terminal. You can choose the interval of two numbers, for example 10 to 20 or 30. Print the x. If we run the program, you can see the interval of 10 and 30 is printed on the output terminal. For loop is very important in Python. Now let's take another example of range. The interval 0 to 20. Now we will use else statement. This is also the concept of loop in Python. If the index reached at and the finished statement is printed on the terminal. You can see that when we run the program, finished is printed on the end.